Welcome to Easy Time Solutions, video tutorials over the Easy Clocking Time and Attendance System. This session is about scheduling and setting shifts for your employees. You'll notice we've already logged in to the administrative page and we are sitting on the dashboard currently. You may see through this tutorial that I have more options than you may have available in yours. That may depend upon what your system administrator has set as your access level. Regardless, you will be able to do the same functionality that I'm doing through this tutorial. As we start off on the dashboard, we want to go down to the sub-menu and move over to Schedules. As Schedules opens, you'll see that it is very similar look to a Google Calendar or an Apple Calendar, depending on what you may be familiar with. Along the left-hand side here, we have a drop-down menu that we can select the department and filter our employees by department, or other filters that are already pre-populated within the system, and even down to custom fields that may be set up through your system administrator. In this case, we're going to work with just one employee, although the system will allow you to do multiple employees at a time. We will be showing that in a different tutorial. You can find that in your Freshdesk access point or on our YouTube channel, searching for Easy Time Solutions. When we're set to make a schedule, I've selected our employee Justin here. I want to make sure of one thing that will definitely make your life significantly easier. You have two buttons on the top of the calendar, Schedule and Absence. Make sure that when you're making a schedule, you have selected Schedule, and if you are creating an absence, you have Absence created. This will save you a lot of headaches down the road. In the dark gray bar, we go to the top right-hand corner to Schedule Options, and now I have the ability to create and delete schedules, create and delete absences. And again, depending on what I'm trying to do, I want to make sure I have the correct buttons here at the top of the calendar selected. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new schedule for Justin. In our first menu, we select the users, and here we have Justin listed. If we were doing multiple people, we would have all of them listed. And then we go through and select the location. This may be in reference to a couple different things, possibly the relationship to a clock or just the department in which the person is working. It may not even be necessary at all. Again, that will come down to the business rules of your department. We're going to say that Justin is working in City Hall today, and we're going to go ahead and click on Next. Here's the scheduled dates, and we've got several steps on here made to make sure we fill in each one of them. First, we want to select the recurrence of the pattern. Is this going to happen daily? Is it going to happen weekly? Or is this going to happen monthly? In this case, as in most, I'm going to go ahead and set his schedule to be a weekly schedule, and it is only going to happen once, although we can take this out all the way out through a calendar year. Once it is created, it can be deleted in segments, even down to days, depending on what you may need or what may happen in the future. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and have this happen once, 1 week, and it is going to be a Monday through Friday schedule. And we're going to go ahead and set the initial dates beginning on the 20th, Monday, and ending on the 24th, a Friday. Final step here, we need to select the shift that Justin is going to be working. As we go down here, we have multiple different shifts that are available. Basic naming convention that we see here is going to be the department, followed by the number of hours that is being worked, followed by the start time in military time. This user has decided to add more information as well. That will be at the discretion of the system administrator. So we're going to go ahead and set a normal 8-hour schedule for Justin. It'll begin at 7 a.m. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the next menu. This final menu we will address in another tutorial, but in brevity, it is going to allow you to change the pay class of the user from whatever their default is. Maybe they're doing a specific job, or they have a shift differential. Whatever the option may be, this can be adjusted. Since Justin is just working his normal schedule, we're going to go ahead and click Create and not do anything on this menu. We get the confirmation that the schedule was accepted, and now you'll notice that he has an additional week of work listed within the schedule. If you have further questions on how to schedule, please check out our YouTube channel by searching Easy Time Solutions, or go into the Help menu in your Freshdesk Access, and you will find more detailed and more specific questions. If you do have something specific, please be sure to register a ticket, and either I or one of our experienced team members will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our Easy Time Solutions tutorial on the Easy Clocking Time and Attendance System.